Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can optimize the graphics settings on the Supermarket Together game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Supermarket Together game on your device. And after you are taken into the main menu, in order to optimize your graphics settings, go ahead and click on Options. Now, once you are inside the Options page, you will see the graphics settings at the very beginning. Make sure that you have chosen the correct resolution, and if you notice any screen tears, also enable VSync. Now, if you have more system resources, then you may also enable anti-aliasing. And now if you look within the quality options, you will have three different presets: the performant, the balanced, as well as the high fidelity. Now, first of all, choose the high fidelity option, which will use more system resources to give you better graphics quality. You can also increase the bloom if you wish, and the rest of the controls are okay as they are. After this, you will need to click on Apply, and once your settings have been saved, go ahead and start your new game. Now, once your game begins, you can test out how these settings feel. If you don't notice any issues, then you can continue on with these settings. Otherwise, you can go back to Options and try reducing the anti-aliasing option or the bloom before you touch the quality. You may also reduce the quality by one step and then apply your changes. And by following this pattern, you can find the optimal balance of performance and quality for your gameplay. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to optimize the graphic settings on the Supermarket Together game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.